Hi, Joy. Hello, Joy. Just unmute yourself once you're ready, Joy.
Wait,
What? What?
I will wait. I will wait.
Oh, no. But I think you're not really hungry, Joy. Okay.
I will wait.
Okay. Yes, I see. Now, if you are hungry, you can always go out and grab a food, okay? You can get a snack or you can eat your dinner while we're having our class, Joy. Feel free to do those. Okay. So now, can you tell me how are you? Are you okay, Joy? Okay, that is good to know. What did you do in the morning?
I don't I don't have in the morning. I have in the morning.
Oh, you didn't do anything in the morning? You did not do anything?
Ooh. Uh,
Okay. Wait,
okay.
let me share my screen first. I want you to tell me it's impossible that you did nothing.
Bạn đã làm gì vào buổi sáng?
I don't have in the morning.
Oh, you didn't do anything. Hello.
Hey.
Okay. So now let's see.
Hooray!
Why? What's the matter, Joy? Okay, so now we'll proceed to page 80. Okay,
But
so
the
yes. Okay, so in what? Okay, so we'll have this
what?
one now. Okay, let us listen and you have to encircle, Joy.
Page 80.
Okay.
4. A. Listen and circle. 1,
Wake up.
2. Break
Wake up.
Wake up.
Yes, wake up.
There.
Where? I can't see your pen.
There. I see. Oh my God.
Can you encircle? Wake up, Joy. Wake up. Wake up. Does that show? Wake up. Is he waking up in that picture? No, right?
No. I don't know.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so this picture shows wake up. Okay, wake up. Can you see it, Joy? Why are you covering your camera, Joy? Okay, so this one is wake up. Now let us have
breakfast.
okay, breakfast. Breakfast. Which shows breakfast?
Breakfast. Breakfast.
Yes. Yeah, is it picture A, B, or C? What do you mean D? We don't have D. Okay, breakfast. D? Where is D? We don't have D. Okay, can you encircle it? Can you encircle? Or just tell me, is it A, B, or C? Breakfast. A, B, or C?
A.
A? Okay. Well, for breakfast, Joy, we usually have a light meal, right? So it's C.
D.
D. We don't have D. Okay, let us have three. Three.
Three.
South Korea.
Korea.
Free.
South Korea. Where is the flag of South Korea? Can you use your pen, Joy? Can you use
Where?
your pen? Yes, you can use your pen just like what you did earlier. Where is South Korea? South Korea's flag.
No.
Mm-hmm.
Hello. Hello. C.
What is your answer? South Korea, Joy. South Korea.
South Korea. C.
Is it that one? That is the flag of Brazil. This is Brazil.
Brazil.
Yeah, that's Brazil, Joy. And we're looking for South Korea. Are you listening, Joy? Joy?
What?
Are you listening?
Yes.
Yes, you are. So we have to encircle the flag of South Korea. And this one, this is the flag of Brazil. So, can you remember where is the flag of South Korea? This is a review, Joy. This is a review. Okay, yes, it's this one. What flag is this? Can you tell me? What
Yes.
flag? What flag is it? This is the flag of
Australia.
Egypt. Egypt.
Egypt.
Yes.
Egypt.
Yes, that's correct. Okay, let us continue.
Egypt and Egypt over there. And
Science.
Egypt.
Okay,
Egypt.
for Joy, we have
Egypt.
science.
Egypt. Egypt.
Hello, Joy.
Hello, teacher.
Okay, so now we have a science. Look at four. Science. What is your answer? Is it A, B, or C? Which picture?
Science.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Where is science? Science.
There.
Is it A, B, or C? Tell me the letter.
C.
Okay, yes, it is C. Yes, that's right. See, you know it, Joy.
C.
Okay, now next one. Read and tick. Okay, what's her favorite subject? Her favorite subject is PE. Is it picture A or picture B? Can you tick? Can you tick? Use your pen.
C.
Okay, very good. Now, when does he eat a breakfast? He eats breakfast at 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock. Which picture shows 7 o'clock? Okay, very good. It's a tick, Joy. This is the tick. Okay? So it should be like this. Now, when does she go to swimming class? She goes to swimming class on Fridays.
Oh.
This one's easy. Okay? This one's easy.
Oh.
What is your answer, Joy? Can you take the correct picture? Okay. No need to write 3, Joy, because the instruction says to tick. Okay, tick, Joy, tick. Okay, now last one. When does he come home? He comes home at 6 o'clock in the evening. He comes home at 6 o'clock in the evening. It's,
It's
it's,
I don't know.
why don't you know? He comes home at 6 o'clock in the evening. 6 o'clock.
Six.
Yeah. Which picture? Is it A or B? A or B?
Oh, B.
Okay, yes, it is B. Okay, so now let us continue to the next activity, Joy. Okay, so let us have this. Okay, so you have to write. Okay, no need to write. You have to answer. Just tell me your answer. Okay, so now when blank eat a snack?
I.
When?
When I.
Is it when I eat a snack? It is a question, Joy. So it should be when does
When does eat a
when does
snack?
okay, when
Eat
does he eat a
a
snack?
snack.
Yes. He when does he eat a snack, Joy?
He eat a snack at 3:30.
Very good. Okay, what about for 2? Where is she?
She is she is
Where is
where
she?
she
Where is she from?
from
Yeah, she is
where
from.
is she from?
Where is she from, Joy? What country is it,
She
Joy?
from where is
No, not Brazil. This is not Brazil. She's from Ca-
she from Canada.
Okay, yes, very good. She's from Canada. Next one, Joy. When blank go to karate class? When?
Do roi cao đầu lên không có bị đau mắt nhé.
When?
When does
Okay, when does he or
when does
she?
he
Okay, when
when
does he go to karate class, Joy? He goes to
he
karate
go to
class.
class on 6
Look at the
on
picture.
on 3:30.
On 3:30, when we will tell about time, Joy, we won't say on 3:30, it's at 3:30.
On 3:30.
Yes, but we have on here, so we're not looking about specific time. Okay, he goes to karate class
On Tuesday.
on Tuesdays, Joy. That is
Tuesday.
the answer here, Joy. Okay.
Joy.
Yes, Joy. Okay,
Yes,
so
Joy.
wait, why are you copying me? Okay, so now let us proceed to the next one. Okay, so tell me the missing words or phrases.
Page 81. D. Listen and write. Then
Hungry.
act. 1,
What time is it? It's 8 o'clock. It's time for bed.
Okay, what time is it?
It's I don't see it.
No, you don't see it, or you didn't hear it. Okay, wait, let me stop
I
sharing.
see it.
Share it again. Okay, let us listen to it again, Joy, since you told me that you did not see it.
Page 81. D. Listen and write. Then act. 1,
What time is it? It's 8 o'clock. It's time for bed.
Okay, what time is it?
I do not see it.
No, you can't see it. You have to listen to it, Joy. Wait. Listen to the audio and fill in the blanks.
Nghe đoạn âm thanh và điền vào chỗ trống.
Okay, that is what you have to do, Joy. Okay, so again, what time is it?
It's 8 o'clock.
It's 8 o'clock.
It's
It's
8 o'clock.
it's blank for bed. It's
Hi.
okay, it's time for bed. Okay, it's time for bed. Yes. Now let us have 2, Joy.
2,
Goodbye. See you.
Cool.
Bye.
Goodbye.
Okay, yes, it's goodbye.
I'm very hungry.
Bye. Okay, don't worry, Joy. We're almost done, so you can eat your dinner later. Okay, so now let us have this, Joy. Okay, so you have to tell me if it belongs to subjects, daily routines, or countries. Okay, now what is he doing, Joy?
Hungry.
What is he doing first? What is he doing? What is he doing? He is
He is. He is. Is.
Can you remember? Make his bed, right? He's making his bed. Again, can you tell me what is he doing? What is he doing, Joy? Joy? What is he doing, Joy?
He is playing a bed.
Okay, he's making his bed. So is that a subject, daily routine, or country?
Subjects.
No.
They work time. They will work
Hãy cho tôi
time.
biết nó thuộc về chủ đề, quốc gia hay thói quen hàng ngày.
Okay, so now can you tell me, when we say make bed, Joy, make my bed, is it subject, daily routine, or country?
Subject.
No, it's not a subject because when we say subject, Joy, these are the subjects that we study at school: English, math, science, PE, and
Country.
others. What? When we say countries, it's Vietnam,
They
Philippines,
want
China.
They want time.
It's not country, Joy. When we say country, remember Philippines, Vietnam, China, Africa. We have a lot of countries, Joy. So it is not a country, right? So which means that it belongs to daily routine. Okay, make my bed. Okay, now what about here? What subject is it, Joy?
Subject is countries.
Okay, this is. See, we have flute. What subject is it?
Subject.
It's. Yeah, it is subject. It is a subject, but what subject is it?
Countries. Countries.
No, it is a subject, Joy, but what subject is
I'm
it?
very hungry.
Đây là môn học gì? Đây là môn học gì?
Mm,
It's
it is
mu.
music.
Okay,
Subject.
very good. Music. Okay, now what about here? What is she doing?
Countries.
No, it's not a country, Joy. This is country. Okay, I'll translate it for you.
Subjects.
Country.
Quốc gia,
Okay, that is country, Joy. This is
quốc
country.
gia,
Kokza. Okay, that is country. What is she doing? What is she doing? It's come home, right? She is coming home. Or go home. Okay, wait.
I don't know.
Yes, you have forgotten it, Joy, but we have talked about this one in our previous
Hungry.
lessons.
But
Oh,
I'm
okay.
very hungry.
But we're almost done. So we have to focus, Joy. We have to learn, learn, learn. Okay, Joy? Joy? Okay, so and here she is coming home. Is it music? Is it subject, daily routine, or country?
Country.
Not country, Joy. When we say country, Joy, that is Vietnam, Philippines, India, Japan, Korea, America. Okay, those are countries, Joy. But when we say daily routine, these are what you do every day. Okay, so it's a daily routine. Okay, what can can you tell me what country is it? Can you remember this flag? What flag is it? It's the flag of South
South Korea.
Okay, see, you can remember it, Joy, South Korea. Now, what about this one? It's
Korea.
no, not Korea. We only have South Korea and North
Brazil.
Korea. Okay, this one is not Brazil. That one is not Brazil.
Wait.
It's
It's Korea. Korea.
Ghana. Ghana? Ghana? Joy? Joy? Kana? Kana? Canada, Joy. Canada. What subject is this, Joy?
Sociology.
Joy?
I'm very hungry.
What subject is it? It's
It's
know the answer. Okay, so we'll answer this one again
Okay.
tomorrow. We have to answer this one again tomorrow. Okay, so that would be all that for our class. Joy, thank you so much. Good night, Joy.